How you doing, everybody? My name is Artie, and this is Cool Custom Printing for the Week. And this is a fun job because, as we know, America's Printer is America's Printer with the big Heidelberg presses, and then we have America's Mailer, which is for all of our mail services. America's Digital, which is all with our brand new 2014 Indigo 7600 presses, and then we got America's Packaging. Well, the neat thing about this whole campaign for Cool Custom is all of this ran on our digital side. So the nice thing about that is sometimes you might have a special campaign that is a short run, 50, 100, 200, something that might be a little cost prohibitive to run on the big girls, the Heidelberg presses. So the nice thing about this is this is called Team Spirit, this whole entire campaign, and Jesse from North Design Media, NDM, is the one who did all the terrific creative and actually handles a lot of the medical industry here in Southern California. And this is called Team Spirit. And this is like a Susan Komen breast cancer, but this one here I believe is breast and ovarian cancer campaign, and it's one of those runs that they always do for, you know, getting proceeds. So the nice thing about this is you get to see here is actually like a little rack card holder printed on a nice 16-point cardstock. We ran it right through the Indigo. Look at those beautiful magenta, nice teal colors. Then we die cut it on our die cutting machine, and it made into one of these very nice like rack card holders. And then you can just see the color consistency. That's always the nice thing we always like to show. And inside then we had a nice brochure ran on the digital presses. This is called a double parallel fold, where it's going to fold in half and fold in half. That went inside there, and they just needed to do a small amount before they went into the large campaign, because the large campaign was like 50,000-60,000 pieces. But the nice thing about this is they just needed something for a special event before we went to the big girls. And so you can just see, so here's the nice little double parallel brochures going inside the nice die cut stands. Then in addition to that, they also wanted some tent cards. So this, you can see what it is, all flat. So there it is, all flat. We just put a score, a score, a score. If you flip it over on the other side, we put a piece of high-tack tape. So you would just take the tape as an example, peel it off, go in here and put it like so, stick that like there, and there you got a beautiful tent card. So you can get the whole gist of the whole campaign of how it all tied in. Then they wanted, which ran on our Indigo press, a 4-page bifold. So this is an 11/17 that bifolded on a what we call a velvet cover, or a velvet book weight stock. So it's 100-pound velvet, basically like a nice satiny mat. And then on top of that, they wanted to have some letterhead. And the nice thing about this whole campaign is it all tied together, and we were able to do it literally. We did this whole job in about 2 days. That's die cutting, folding, printing, everything for just a few hundred. And then after that, when they got a little bit more dialed in, then we put them on the big girls. So until next week, just wanted to show you what some of our digital services are doing over on America's Digital. Bye-bye.